Welcome to the Sundanese people, Indonesia's second largest ethnic group, known for their warmth and vibrant culture. Native to West Java, they are friendly, polite, and humorous, embodying Santin. Sundanese culture thrives on harmony, community, and reverence for nature. Experience the vibrant Jaibong dance with its dynamic movements and lively rhythm. Kekapi Suling Ensemble creates soothing melodies with zither and flute. UNESCO-listed Angklung bamboo instruments produce resonant sounds played in groups. West Java boasts volcanic peaks like Mount Tangkuban Parahu and misty Pancakti plantations. Discover Sigadung rice terraces and the biodiverse Bogor Botanical Gardens. Savor nasi timbal, steamed rice and banana leaves with sambal and fried fish. Indulge in sate merengue grilled beef skewers or kerdok raw vegetable salad with peanut sauce. From hospitality to traditions and landscapes, Sundanese offer an unforgettable experience.